Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have m to the power of 6 equals to m minus 1 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we move this m minus 1 to the power of 6 in the left hand side, and it will be written as m to the power of 6 minus m minus 1 to the power of 6 equals to 0. So after that here we use the nice exponential law, and we know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it will be written as a to the power of m times of n. So here we break this exponent 6 and we write this exponent as m cubed and its whole square. So according to this law, we multiply these two exponents and we again get this 6. Similarly, we write this expression as m minus 1 whole cubed and its whole power 2 equals to 0. So these exponents multiplied by here and we get the answer is 6. So that here we use the nice square identity, and we know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we need this nice formula in the left hand side of this equation. So when we apply this formula, so our above equation will be written as m cubed minus m minus 1 cubed into m cubed plus m minus 1 cubed equals to 0. So after this step here we the time to convert this equation in two cases. So that our first case is we take m cubed minus m minus 1 cubed equals to 0, and the second case is we take m cubed plus m minus 1 cubed equals to 0. So here we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here we solve these two equations simultaneously. Now first we focus on equation number 1. So from equation number 1, here we need the nice cubic formula for equation number 1. So we know about this formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here we need this nice formula to the equation number 1. So here first we copy down equation number 1. Here it will be written as m cubed minus m minus 1 cubed equals to 0. So if you focus here, you see that in this here we have a is equals to m and our b is equals to m minus 3. So that now we use the below formula to the above term, and it will be written as a minus b. So here our a is m minus b is m minus 1 into a square. So our a is m square plus b plus ab is m into m minus 1 plus b square, and our b is m minus 1 square, and this whole equals to 0. So in the next step here we need little bit simplification, and now first we multiply this minus sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as m minus m plus 1, and here we have m square plus we multiply this m on both of these terms, and it will be written as m square minus m. And now we open the nice square identity here, and it will be written as m square plus 1 square minus 2 times of m, and this whole equation equals to 0. So after that we need more simplification, and this negative sign are cancelled by here, and we get here only plus 1. And here we need to add the like terms, and we have m square plus m square plus m square becomes 3 times of m square. And after that we have minus m minus 2m becomes minus 3m, and this 1 square equals to 1, and this whole equals to 0. So that here we get the nice quadratic equation, it will be written as 3m square minus 3m plus 1 equals to 0. So here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So here we have a equals to 3 and b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 1. So our quadratic formula will be written as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So now we substitute the values of a, b and c here, and we get this minus, and this is also minus times of minus becomes plus 3 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 3 and minus 3 square becomes 9, and minus 4 times of ac. So a is 3 and c is 1, so we get here minus 12 divided by 2 times of a is 6. So here we need a more simplification, so we get here 3 plus minus square root of, here you get minus 3 square root divided by 6. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation. So we write this as m equals to 3 plus minus square root of 3 into iota divided by 6. So these are our two complex roots of the given equation. So now in order to find the other roots, we need to focus on equation number 2. So here we first copy down our equation number 2. And now we use the nice cubic formula, which is written in this form. If you have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So now we use this cubic formula to the above equation. So after applying this formula to this equation, it will be written as a plus b. So here our a is m and b is m minus 1 into a square minus ab. So our a is m square minus, again a is m and b is m minus 1 plus b square is m minus 1 square equals to 0. So here we need some simplification here. So we have m plus m minus 1 into this is m square, and we multiply this m on both of these terms. It will be written as minus m square and plus m. So here we open the square of this term, and it will be written as m square plus 1 minus 2 times of m equals to 0. So here we need more simplifications, and we have this is m plus m becomes 2m minus 1 into this negative and positive are gone, and we get here m square, and this m minus 2m becomes minus m, and this is plus 1 equals to 0. So here we have again two cases. So our first case is we take 2m minus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is we take m square minus m plus 1 equals to 0. So in this case we easily get the value of m equals to 1 over 2, and in this case we need to use a quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So we have a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 1, and we know that about quadratic formula it will be written as m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a, and we have the value of b is minus 1, so we substitute it here. It will becomes plus 1 plus minus square root of b square, so b is minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 1 divided by 2 times of a, and our a is also 1. So here we need more simplification, and we get 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square, and minus 1 square becomes plus 1, and minus 4 divided by 2, and here we have 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 is equals to minus 3 divided by 2. So here we write this in complex form, and it will be written as 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and we have these are the two complex roots, and these are the first real root. So in the second case we have these three complex roots of the given equation. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.